The holidays are over, and this is your sign that you need to clean your oven just like I do. Yeah, look at all that baked on stuff. So we're gonna give that a good spray here with some degreaser. You can use Easy Off or anything you want to. It doesn't really matter. I started off with the steel scrubby here on the glass, and then I realized there was probably a better way. So the razor blade, yes, works smarter, not harder. This thing is amazing on glass, trust me. Look at that shine, baby. It's already looking better. That made me feel better. So now I got in with some elbow grease and got in nice and dirty deep like here. Yeah, buddy, clean that shit right up. Yeah, look at this. Come on. Man, you got to get in there. You got to put in that hard work and get it done, my friends, because you can do this too. Your food will taste a lot better coming from a clean oven, trust me. Your smoke detectors will go off a lot less. Look at that thing shine. Look at that purty thing. Almost so nice you could eat off of it, right? Yeah, that's the idea here, guys. You do eat off of it, okay? So clean it. This is your sign. The holidays are over. Don't be lazy. Get in there and clean your damn oven.